LinkedIn have launched collaborative posts. What does this mean and how can you create one? So when you go to start a post on LinkedIn, now if you have access to this, it says add collaborators here. So if we just do a testing post and we go in add collaborators, you can search for connections or pages. So one of the keys here is they have to be someone you are connected to. And you can invite anybody to be a collaborator, but if they don't have this feature yet, then they won't receive your notification. So I can select Amanda Webb to be a collaborator on my post. And it will say Louise Brogan with Amanda Webb, and you can edit this. So then you click on the edit. And I want to show you how I know that this works by adding in one of my own pages. So Louise Brogan Limited is my company page, and I'm going to click Save. All right, and I'm going to just as a test, I'm going to say to connections only. Okay, so I've written my post and I've put an image in, and I'm going to add in my collaborators. So when I add in the people who are in the expert sessions that I'm posting about, because I believe they don't have collaborative posts on their profile yet, they won't actually get this notification. I'm also going to add in my company page so we can see how it looks to the recipient. Okay, so I have got 2 people and 1 company page, and I'm going to click Save. Add the collaborator. So what does it look like? Post to anyone, comments from anyone, and collaborating with 3 others. All right, so we're ready to post, and off it goes. So what happens next is the person who's invited to be the collaborator will receive a notification that they are being invited to collaborate. If you want to be invited to collaborate on posts with people, by the way, go into your privacy, settings and privacy, scroll down, go to the left-hand side and click on visibility. Scroll down to visibility of your LinkedIn activity, and you'll see here it says mentions, tags and collaborations. And we just want to make sure that is toggled to on, okay? If someone adds you as a collaborator on their post and you don't want to be a collaborator on their post, you don't have to accept it. And if you change your mind, you can remove it afterwards as well. Let's see, the notification has come through. So there it says, Louise Brogan has invited Louise Brogan Limited to appear as a collaborator on this post. Let's click review, and it says you're invited, so then you can accept. People who see the post will see that there are collaborations on here. So Louise Brogan with Louise Brogan Limited company page in here. And that is collaborative posts on LinkedIn. They are rolling them out. I am in the first group, I think, or the second group possibly, to have got access to this feature. Let me know if you have access to this feature